Hey, welcome to my channel. I just wanted to go ahead and do a quick little video about the ins and outs of being a production manager and also being the on-call designer, overall just creative person that can handle everything that comes through the door. Okay, so one of the things that I particularly don't don't really enjoy as much as is really getting color correct, and that is a little bit of a devil on my shoulder kind of thing, where it's the devil I know and it's the devil I need to work with, but it's something that I've always not particularly enjoyed doing, even though I know what I'm doing and how to do it. It's just a little bit of a pain in the butt sometimes. But I'm just kind of going over this right now. I got a project I'm working on, and I'm going to show you some of the equipment I use. So today I'm recalibrating my printer to hit this yellow for KB Homes. Okay, now this yellow has always been kind of iffy for some of the things that we've produced here. And we had a really great color combination that worked really well, but that seems to have shifted over time. So now it's time to recalibrate, get the machine back to where it was, and so this is the process I use. So right here, this is a I1, and I1 is also known as the Spectrophotometer. So it has this little lens and light inside of here that specifically captures the color of whatever you place it on. So if you're inside, if you just put it back into its little case, you can see that that's a little white, and that's actually ivory in there, so it doesn't really fade or anything, and you can keep it pure white. So it keeps colors consistent, and it basically creates a color for you from a sample piece. So let me show you how that works. Okay, so right now I'm in Onyx, and I'm going to go to this top area in my production house RIP called Swatch Books, and this is what comes up. So this shows me my printer, my media group, media mode, everything I need to basically make sure that this is produced for the right material that I am going to be actually printing on. So what I do is, after the I1 is connected, I go down here to measure patch. Okay, and then this dialog box comes up, and what you do is you just touch the side. There's a button right here. Keep it on the thing, you touch the side, and you can see right here, you're going to look at those lab values at the very bottom. I'm going to press the button, and then these are my lab values for that color. Okay, so that's white, and so let me show you what that looks like on another surface. So here is a green sticky note. I'm going to put that right on top, come over here, push the button, and then these has given me now my lab values for that green sticky note. So that pretty much is the basics of how this works. What happens next is, while you're in here, you say, okay, that's what I want, and now it's going to come up with another box that's going to give you some more information once you hit OK here. So as long as all this information is correct, which I'm just going to leave it as is, I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. Now it's going to give you this. This is your actual swatch book. So as you can tell, right up here in the very corner of this dialog in this area here, you have the original color that it thinks that that's the color that you're looking for, and it also has given you a CMYK value, your lab values, and then it gives you these patches that go from dark to light, and you are then going to print this on the same material that you selected, same mode, same speed, same quality, and then you're going to print that out and you're going to match that up to your actual physical example. and then within this range you are in hopes of finding color that's going to be very close or right on for what you're looking for. So from here, it just goes ahead, you hit print in Onyx, you have selected the printer, the type of ink group, the media, quality, and it's just letting you know, hey, it's going to be printing this size on this kind of material, this width, and you just hit print from here. It drops into your queue, and then you're ready to go. And you just close on out of all of this when you're all done. So I may not enjoy the whole color correction process, because even after you print the swatches, you still have to go back and forth and really see what it looks like in different environments. You know, some of the things you need to consider as a color, you know, correcting, you know, position, you need to put yourself in the environment that the color is going to be used in. For example, for these signs that I'm working on, you're going to be seeing them outside. So it's good to do this, create a patch that works and you think it looks good, and then take it outside and see exactly how that ink combination works in the sunlight and the natural light, and not inside with fluorescence or some other like LED bulb or whatever the light source is in your shop or what you're using. You need to see how it actually will work in real life. So those are kind of a couple tips from me on color correction and a little sample of the stuff I do here on a daily basis, and a little bit of an example of how to use the i1. I will be going over more in the future, and if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Have a good one.